Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can read JSON files in Python. Firstly, I'm going to create a new JSON file in my project. I will say file. I'm going to define the file name as data.json. Here I'm going to paste some values so you can randomly input some values like key value pairs. Firstly, here key and the value, key and the value. Here there's another key, but the value is a object like this. Okay, now we have the JSON. I will include that JSON also in the description. Go to your Python file, and firstly I'm going to say import JSON. Okay, here we are importing the JSON library, and after that we are going to say with open. This will safely open the file and automatically close when reading is finished. Now put the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have to say the path for the file. Currently we are having the JSON file in the same project that JSON file is existing. Okay, so for that reason we can define just file name, single quotes, inside single quotes, data.json. Okay, and the second argument will be the mode of operation. In this case we are going to read the data only, and after that I'm going to say as open file, or whatever you can say file. This will be some random name for our file. Now after putting the colon, I'm going to say JSON underscore object is equals to json.load parentheses open file. Okay, now here after the reading I'm going to say print JSON underscore object. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this. Here we got the output. You might thinking that how we are accessing this JSON object that is in this with open here. That because this with open is allowing us to do many things like accessing variables outside of that, and automatically closing when it is reading. Here we have to put additional space after the comma to avoid errors. Alright, now to access an element inside this we can say like this, name. If we say square brackets and then the key name, here we got the value of that key. Instead we can say something like, let's say there was age, and I'm going to say interest. Here let's say interest. Here we got music, movies and sports. Here this looks like a list. That means we can say the index, for example 0, we should get this music. Okay, alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.